Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the ban and collecting proof. Attempt login from a different network. If you still see the IP block, capture screenshots and note timestamps. Once done, write down your current public IP, device details, and the exact error text. Make sure to keep server region and any recent actions noted. This helps support identify the reason. Now prepare a concise, factual report to submit. Do not guess or assume intent when you describe what happened. Next, focus on legitimate network remedies and safe testing. First, power cycle your modem and router. Many ISPs issue a new dynamic IP after a shutdown. If that fails, call your ISP and request IP reassignment. Explain you need to resolve an access issue. To check if the ban is IP-based, briefly test with a reputable VPN, but be careful. Using a VPN may violate terms of service. Also clear Growtopia cache and reinstall the finish by appealing and securing your account. Submit a support ticket that includes your screenshots, IP, timestamps, and a calm explanation of events. Explain any corrective steps you took. Change passwords and enable two-factor authentication so bans for abuse or compromise are less likely in future. Once submitted, monitor and politely follow up if you get no reply after 72 hours. Troubleshooting tip: if your appeal is denied, review logs for possible account compromise and include that evidence in your follow-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.